Object-oriented programming language. 4 basic principles. To make a programming language object-oriented, here are 4 basic principles to follow. Inheritance. It is the way of creating a new class with the existing class details without modifying it. Existing class. Base class. New class. Derived class. Encapsulation. It refers to direct modification of data prevented by U, which restrict access to methods and variables. Abstraction. Abstraction refers to the expressing of the intent of a class rather than implementation. Polymorphism. Use of common interface for multiple forms. Polymorphism is of 2 types: static and dynamic. Thanks for watching the video. If you need help with your programming assignment, you can get instant help from professionals at Homework Minutes. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com.